What happens when the future of war is no longer decided by human soldiers, but by machines that think, move, and strike on their own? AI-powered drones are transforming battlefields with incredible speed, precision, and autonomy. They can coordinate in swarms, identify targets, and gather intelligence faster than any human ever could. But this rise of machine-led warfare also brings new dangers and ethical dilemmas. Are we prepared for a future where drones could decide life and death moments in combat? Let's dive in to find out more. Number 1, a new era of warfare begins. For centuries, the outcome of wars depended on human soldiers, heavy machinery, and strategic planning. Today, that reality is rapidly changing. AI-powered drones are transforming conflicts into high-tech battles where speed, data, and machine intelligence matter more than sheer manpower. These drones can analyze threats in real time, respond instantly, and perform missions with minimal human involvement. This shift reduces the need for boots on the ground, but introduces new ethical and strategic questions. As war becomes increasingly digital, leaders must rethink traditional approaches to defense and security. The rise of AI drones marks the beginning of a future where machines, not humans, will dominate the battlefield, reshaping how wars are fought and possibly even prevented. Number 2, rise of the drone swarms. Picture hundreds of small drones flying together in perfect harmony, like a school of fish or a flock of birds. These AI-powered drone swarms communicate with each other, share data instantly, and adjust their strategies in real time without waiting for human input. A single operator can oversee an entire swarm that can overwhelm enemy defenses or strike multiple targets simultaneously. Their speed and coordination make them far more efficient than manned aircraft or traditional weapons. However, this new approach to warfare sparks concerns about swarm versus swarm battles that could escalate conflicts faster than humans can control. Countries worldwide are investing heavily in swarm technology, triggering a new arms race and changing the nature of military power on a global scale. Number 3, autonomous targeting. AI-powered drones bring unmatched precision to the battlefield through autonomous targeting. These drones can identify, track, and engage targets almost instantly, analyzing vast amounts of battlefield data to minimize errors and reduce collateral damage. Their speed and accuracy often surpass human operators, making missions more effective. However, allowing machines to make life-or-death decisions raises serious ethical concerns. If an AI system misidentifies a target due to flawed programming or biased data, the consequences could be devastating. Who takes responsibility for such mistakes? The programmers, the military, or the machine itself? While these systems promise fewer civilian casualties and faster operations, the debate over accountability remains at the heart of discussions about the future of autonomous targeting in warfare. Number 4, eyes in the sky, AI-enhanced surveillance. Modern warfare relies heavily on intelligence, and AI-powered drones excel at gathering it. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, advanced sensors, and real-time data analysis tools, these drones can scan battlefields with extraordinary precision. They detect hidden threats, track enemy movements, and provide vital updates to commanders, allowing for quicker and more strategic decision-making. This enhanced surveillance improves situational awareness for soldiers on the ground, potentially saving lives by preventing ambushes and improving mission planning. However, such extensive data collection raises concerns about privacy and the misuse of sensitive information. In conflict zones, these drones have become indispensable for reconnaissance and battlefield management, but their reliance also highlights the growing role of machines in shaping human decisions during war. Number 5, cost-effective warfare. Waging war has always been expensive, requiring massive investments in tanks, jets, and soldiers. AI-powered drones are changing that by offering a more cost-effective alternative. These smaller, lighter machines can carry out surveillance, strikes, and logistical tasks at a fraction of the cost of traditional equipment. AI improves their efficiency, enabling precise operations that waste fewer resources and lower the risks to human life. This affordability allows smaller nations to compete militarily with larger powers, shifting the global balance of power. However, the reduced financial and human cost might make conflicts seem less daunting, potentially encouraging their use. While drones can make warfare more efficient, they also raise the troubling possibility of making wars easier to start. Number 6. Saving lives on the front lines. One of the most significant advantages of AI-powered drones is their ability to protect human soldiers. These drones are deployed for dangerous tasks like reconnaissance, delivering supplies, or even disarming explosives, roles that traditionally put lives at great risk. By stepping in to handle high-risk missions, drones help reduce casualties and ensure soldiers stay safer during combat. Families often find comfort knowing machines, not humans, face the most hazardous jobs on the battlefield. This shift could drastically lower injury and death rates among troops. However, there's a concern that relying too heavily on drones might lead militaries to engage in conflicts more often, believing the risks are lower. Responsible deployment is crucial to balance protection with ethical decision-making. Number 7. Ethical dilemmas and human control. The rise of AI-powered drones brings serious ethical dilemmas to modern warfare. When a drone makes a life-or-death decision without direct human input, who is accountable? The programmer, the commander, or the machine itself? Many experts argue for meaningful human control to ensure that vital choices remain in human hands. Yet as AI grows faster and more autonomous, human reactions may become too slow to intervene effectively. This tension between efficiency and morality demands strict international laws and oversight. Without clear rules, the risk of unintended harm or misuse grows, raising urgent questions about whether machines should ever decide matters of life and death. Number 8. The risk of a global drone arms race. The rapid rise of AI-powered drones has triggered fierce global competition as nations strive to build faster, smarter, and more lethal systems. This race for technological dominance risks escalating tensions as countries may feel pressured to strike first before rivals gain an advantage. The spread of advanced drone technology also raises fears it could fall into the hands of rogue states or militant groups, increasing global instability. Without strong international agreements and regulations, this arms race could spiral out of control, making conflicts deadlier and harder to contain. Responsible cooperation is essential to prevent AI drones from fueling future wars. Number 9. Challenges of reliability and terrain. Despite their advanced technology, AI-powered drones face real-world challenges that limit their performance. Harsh weather conditions like heavy rain, strong winds, or extreme heat can disrupt their sensors and navigation systems. Rugged terrains such as mountains, dense forests, or urban environments may interfere with signals or confuse their AI algorithms. These vulnerabilities can lead to mission delays or even failures. Additionally, drones remain susceptible to electronic jamming, hacking attempts, and software glitches that could compromise their safety or effectiveness. Maintenance and regular updates are also costly and complex. These challenges remind militaries that while drones are powerful tools, they are not flawless and require constant improvement and oversight. Number 10. The future battlefield. The battlefield of the future will likely be a partnership between humans and AI-powered drones, not a complete replacement of one by the other. Human leaders will focus on strategic planning, while drones handle rapid data analysis, surveillance, and precise strikes. This teamwork could make combat faster, safer, and more accurate, reducing risks to soldiers. However, it requires well-trained personnel to manage advanced systems responsibly and ethically. Militaries worldwide are preparing for this human-machine alliance by developing new training programs. Success will depend on using AI as a tool to support, not replace, human judgment, shaping a future where wars might be fought with more precision and fewer casualties. AI-powered drones are redefining warfare, faster, more precise, and often safer for soldiers, yet raising urgent ethical and security challenges. The real question is whether humanity can guide this powerful technology responsibly before it guides us. What's your take on this future of battle? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.